gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
This is the iPad Mini, and this is the OPPO Pad Mini. And honestly, the difference in how they look is pretty striking. I used to lean toward bigger tablets, but after spending some time with the OPPO Pad Mini, I've started to see why smaller tablets have their own charm. It might actually be one of the most balanced compact tablets out there right now.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
The moment you pick it up, it feels fantastic. It's incredibly slim at just 5.39 millimeters and weighs only 279 grams, so it's super comfortable to hold, and that clean black finish gives it a simple yet premium vibe. It's even small enough to slip into a pocket. Once you turn on the display, it really stands out. You get an 8.8-inch OLED panel with a sharp 2.5K resolution and a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, and everything looks great. There's also an option for a soft light screen that cuts down glare significantly. The size of the screen feels just right for daily use. Whether you're watching short videos, scrolling through social media, or browsing online stores, it gives you a wider view without feeling bulky. If you like reading, the soft light display works beautifully for ebooks, and there's even a pastel mode in reading settings to make it feel more like paper. It also supports the Pencil 3 Pro, and paired with the magnetic keyboard case, it almost turns into a mini laptop. The Stylus has seen some solid improvements too. With a felt tip, X-axis vibration feedback, and that soft light screen, writing on it actually feels surprisingly close to pen on paper. The pen also includes pressure sensors, so a gentle press can bring up an AI wheel for quick notes, annotations, or drawing circles, making small tasks quicker and easier. Even though it's compact, the OPPO Pad Mini doesn't cut corners when it comes to features. It comes with the PC version of WPS and a professional version of Silhouette pre-installed. If you shoot videos on your iPhone, you can easily transfer them to the tablet for editing, and it even connects with your iPhone so you can handle calls and messages seamlessly. A lot of people prefer smaller tablets for gaming because the size just feels right, and this one delivers. In testing, Honor of Kings ran at an average of 144 FPS with stable performance and low power consumption at 4.2 watts. Delta supported HD at 120 FPS, averaging 119.6 FPS after 30 minutes with 5.59 watts of power usage. Playing FPS games on a tablet this size is genuinely fun. Even Genshin Impact, at max settings and running through a demanding environment for half an hour, averaged 59.9 FPS without noticeable drops. During more intense gameplay, it still held around 59.5 FPS after 30 minutes, staying smooth at about 6.08 watts. With around 8.5 watts and the built-in cooling system, it handles most games easily. What really impressed me was how efficient it is with power, almost like using a smartphone. And if you want to push things further, you can turn on super resolution and super frame rate, and some games even support super HDR for better contrast and a more immersive look. The OPPO Pad Mini focuses on portability, but it still includes an 8,000 mAh battery. It's not huge on paper, but in real use, it performs well. After a full charge, I played heavy games for 2 hours and still had 69% left. Then I streamed 4K videos for another 3 hours, and after more than 5 hours of use, the battery was still at 40%. That kind of efficiency shows how well it's optimized, making it reliable for most of the day. It also supports 67-watt wired fast charging, and in my test, going from 2% to 100% took about an hour. Lately, I've been taking the OPPO Pad Mini everywhere with me. It's easy to pick up, use, and put away whenever you want. And that instant usability just feels great. Whether you're doing light work or jumping into games, it fits in perfectly. So if you get the chance, definitely try out this compact tablet for yourself. The base model starts at 36.99 yuan in China, which is roughly 402 pounds in the UK and about $542 in the US. That's it for today. See you in the next one.